Today we are diving into Freebeat.ai. Turn your music into stunning videos and create dance, lyric and even music videos to go viral. You don't believe me? Let's go in. So first you go on Freebeat.ai. Here we have an overview about the tool. If you scroll down a bit, you see some examples. They are just amazing here. You can drop a Spotify link, YouTube link, TikTok link and so much more. We just start with a make free videos. After signing up, you come to this page here. Here we have an overview about the features, music video, music cover video and video to music with ton of settings. So we have this example prompt for the music video feature. A singer with a guitar on a sunset farm. We want warm orange tones, a slow steady camera glide. We can now select a character. We come to that later. We can select the aspect ratio. We can select the resolution. 1080p is possible. We can customize the lyrics. As you can see here, there are different styles to choose from. Let's take the first one here. We can select the style. If it should be a photorealistic, anime, pixel art. There are so many choices to choose. Let's take the photorealistic one. We want to remove the watermark. We can also enable the auto agent mode where all steps will be completed automatically, and if the result should be public or private, let's do private now. Now we choose a music for it. We can upload our own music or choose one of this here. Let's try something. Let's look at the trendy ones. We can choose from Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube. Let's choose SoundCloud. Let's look at it. Yeah, that's fine. And we hit create. Now we are at the assistant where he is analyzing our prompt and our settings. As you can see, he's creating song concepts, video direction based on our prompt. Very nice. All automatically, we have to do nothing here. And he's ready. It took like 2 minutes. He took the first 15 seconds of the clip. Let's look at it. Well, that worked perfectly, very nice. I'm stunned how easy this is. We have the farm, we have the guitar, we have the warm tones. Perfect. Let's try another example. We want the music cover video now, a DJ on a festival stage, intense colors. Now we add our own music. So I uploaded the music by my own. We now use 30 seconds. Let's hit it. That should be the music, and let's hit create. And he's finished. He generated us 2 different results, one for the whole music looped perfectly or just the loop itself. Let's look at the whole loop.
Digital heart, learning and growing, evolving each part in a brand new way, never the start of breaking the image and a son of peace and love, 1 and 0.
And as you can see, there is no edging, a perfect loop for your music video cover on Spotify or anywhere else. Perfect. Next we look at the video to music feature. We have this prompt here. We want a hip hop rap style. We upload our video. We can also upload a reference music. We can also choose the style here additional to our prompt. Let's choose hip hop here. We can generate multiple tracks here. That's fine. And we hit create. And it's already finished and he generated us all what we need. The video, the music itself and also the lyrics file, which is very, very nice. Let's look at a video.
Yeah, is it hard coding the beat? Solid rhyme and AI feet. Line smooth but too neat. Running alive a machine deceit. Back then, pen hit that. Real lines were all we had. Now AI spits bad. Can it feel joy or sad? I ain't no typing truth or trend. Where's the heart? Where's the end? Is the spark alive within? Soul in art, where's it been? Worse than fast, so clean. Knows rhyme, unseen scheme.
Just perfect. The music matches the video automatically. Freebeat does it all. Very nice. So click the link in the description to try Freebeat.ai. See you in the next one.